Hello friends, welcome to recipes old and new. Today we are going to make chicken stuffed bun rolls. Let's get started. First take half cup of lukewarm milk in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it. Let's add 7 grams, that is 1 and 1/3 teaspoon of dry yeast and mix it. Cover the bowl and keep aside for 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Now take a large bowl, add 2 cups of maida, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of white oil, and 1 egg. Mix them thoroughly. Now add the milk and the yeast mixture to it and knead it for 10 minutes to make a very soft dough. If required, add some more milk. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and knead for 2 minutes. Shift the dough in a bowl. Then grease the surface of the dough with some white oil. Cover with a lid and you must keep it in a warm place. Give a resting time of 1 hour in summer and 1.5 hours in winter until the dough becomes double in size. In the meantime, make the chicken filling ready. Let's take 3 tablespoons of white oil on a hot pan. After a while, add 2 finely chopped onions, add 2 finely chopped green chillies. Fry for some time. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and fry until the raw smell goes out. Add a little bit of water. One finely chopped tomato and fry until it becomes a thick paste. Then add 1 finely chopped capsicum, one teaspoon of salt. Saute for 2 minutes more. Add 300 grams of chicken mince and saute for 5 minutes on low heat. Now cover the pan with a lid and cook for 7 minutes. Add 25 grams of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and saute for 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of ghee or butter. Filling is ready. Keep it aside. Now knead the dough for 1 minute more. And roll it into a rectangular shape approximately 12 inches by 10 inches. Spread the filling evenly on the rolled dough and make a roll like this. Let's cut the entire roll into 8 equal pieces and shift them to a baking tray. Cover it with a clean, moist kitchen towel and give a resting time of 20 minutes. Now beat an egg and brush each and every roll with this beaten egg. Let's preheat the microwave oven in convection mode at 180 degrees centigrade. Then place the roll in the microwave and bake for 25 minutes. The chicken stuffed roll is ready. Give a resting time of 5 minutes. Then serve it as a breakfast item or evening snacks or at dinner. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.